Hi guys, this is gsnl.com and I'm here with the freshly announced Motorola Moto G7 Plus. It's the biggest of the bunch. It's got a dual back camera with optical image stabilization and it runs on Android Pie in a pretty clean and stock installation. It's got a 6.2-inch screen of the Full HD Plus variety. It's got stereo speakers and once again it runs on Android Pie. Okay, so other than that, we have 4 GB of RAM on board, 64 GB of storage. There is also a micro SD card slot and a Snapdragon 636 CPU in the mix. Okay, so let's access our website. As you can see, the phone has a notch. The 6.2-inch screen has a Full HD Plus resolution and a notch and pretty narrow bezels. Now the handset is made of glass and metal, glass at the back, glass at the front, there's a metal frame in between, and the back camera is a combo of 16 and 5 megapixels. We got a fingerprint scanner below it, we got a dual LED flash, a 4K video capture, and we also have optical image stabilization, portrait mode, Dolby acoustics, and let's see the technical specs actually. Okay, so the screen 6.24 inch Full HD Plus actually, Snapdragon 636 CPU, 16 megapixel dual camera, 16 plus 5, 12 megapixel front shooter, 3000 mAh battery with a 24 watt turbo power charger and 4 GB RAM plus 64 GB of storage, as well as Dolby acoustics. That's basically it. That's the new phone. The price tag should be around $350 worldwide. My first impression is that the phone is very light, even for a mid-ranger, pretty similar to the Motorola Moto G6 series, and some people may even confuse it. I wish they would have a differentiator. Well, the notch actually differentiates it a bit. I'm curious about the camera. I've seen some great samples so far and I'm curious to put it to the test over the next few days, months and so forth. So this is from gsnl.com. This has been the first contact with the Motorola Moto G7 Plus, the pretty interesting phablet with a dual camera with optical image stabilization. This is it from us. Bye bye.